Hey there, I just wanted to share a review on this thermal label printer. So of course you get your instructions, you get a little flash drive. They do send you some sample labels for addresses. And so I already have these under the table stand. So it came with this nice stand, really easy to put together. And then it did come with some small labels as well. So this one had the circle labels. It has these labels, which I'm going to test out next. And then this is where you actually put your labels on the roll, and then you slide that in here. So that makes it work really nice and things can roll well. Now, as far as opening it, you've got two buttons here on the side. You just pull it forward, flips open, you pull your labels in. So regardless of what size labels you're pulling in, it will automatically kind of size it and figure it out, which is really cool. And then on the app that you have to download, that's where it will show you which size labels you have, and then you can edit those within the app. And so I can show you those next, but just kind of wanted to give you this breakdown quick first. Once your device is linked, this is where you can start creating things. So obviously there's a lot of things to look at. You've got templates. These are all pre-designed. And right now I have the circle label in there. So some of the more circle things, you know, I could easily print off by touching it. I'm going to use this. You could, if you want to, then print it. And it printed out the little sticker. I can show you that in a second. And then if you want something that's more, if you want to create your own, mine are just white. And then if I want to put an image on there, you can either take a photo, put it from your thing. You can add QR codes, which is something we've done. If I just want text on there, because maybe I'm doing a label of some kind, and double tap, and I'm going to do facial serum. Enter that down. I'm going to stretch it just a little bit bigger, but you could also do it here where you can make it bigger. If you want to look at alignment, you want to look at the font. And then you can go to print. And so then I'll show you what these look like. So then here's the two labels that I just printed off. So it works really good. I love using the address labels also when I do my pirate shipping and ship packages. And as you can see, I've also got the roll on because that's what's in here right now. The only thing that I've not noticed is that there really isn't, I mean, there is some grooving under here when you open this up as far as trying to line up the label. So there is a little bit right there, but I have had to like play with it a little bit to try to get it just right so that it comes out straight. So that might be the only thing you have to work on.